In this video, let us see how you can use split view in your Mac. So I have two windows here. One is a document window and another one is Google Chrome search. So I would like to use them side by side using split window option in Mac. So to use that, what we have to do first is we have to exit from the full screen here in both of these windows. For that, just take the cursor over here in the left side and click on the green icon that you see here, and do the same for the another window which you'd like to use in split screen. And now what you have to do is you have to take the cursor over the green icon and you will see an option to move the window to either side of the screen. You can move it to the left or the right, to any side that you want. I'll just move this window to the right side, and here on the left side now you can see another window which I had. And if you have multiple windows open like this, you can just click on the window which you like to use in split option. So I'll just click it here. I just have one window. So now it is done. We can use it in split view. We can use both of these windows side by side. For example, let's say I want to copy this first line from here in Wikipedia and I want to paste it here. I can do that easily side by side. It's very simple. And if you would like to give more space to any one of the windows that you are using, you can use this vertical line given here. You can just move it to either side. So this is how you need to use split view in Mac. Hope you'll find this useful.